Hello everyone, welcome back to Infinite Nerdism. It has been some time. I'm here with a mystery unboxing of the Toy Tokyo mystery box. I haven't done one yet. It's my first time, so hopefully it's something cool. I'm prepared for the worst. After I bought it, it was like 40 bucks with shipping. After I bought it, I read some reviews. I saw some comments, people saying it usually not so good. So I just bought it, decided what the hell. I've never done a real mystery box like this before. So let's open this bad boy up. So I've been getting some pops, not as much as I usually do. And I'll show you guys a cool one that I got. Yeah, it's right here. A cool one that I got at a pop swap recently. If you follow me on Instagram, Infinite Nerdism, then you know which Grail that I got. It is my Grail of all Grails. And it's pretty cool. But I don't have my Joker knife, so I just have this scissors. We're back. My phone fell, so I bought a new phone. I record most of these on my phone. I have a camera, but I'm kind of lazy. I don't feel like doing all that stuff. But I bought a new phone. I bought a Samsung S9 a few months back. Another reason why I haven't done a lot of videos. I've been trying to like mess around with it and not having success with certain things. Jesus. Finally, got it open. So, of course, if you've seen any of these Toy Tokyo videos, you know it's the paper on top. And so let's get rid of that and let's get to it. So let's go with the first one. I'm not looking. You can kind of see it already. It is the Hot Topic Metallic Pink Ranger, which is cool because, well, I already have it. I got it signed by Catherine Sutherland, the pink Turbo Ranger, and she was the Pink Ranger Pterodactyl for a little bit. But this one I can get Amy Jo Johnson to sign, so that'll be cool. I mean, it's cool to have. You can't find it anymore in stores. Decent, pretty decent. I mean, I paid 40 bucks. I don't know what her value is. We'll figure that out in a little bit. Let's go with this one. The excitement is killing me. It is Mushu and Cricket from Mulan. This will probably go to my wife because I'm not a big Disney guy. Like, I like Disney, but I'm not gonna collect the pops. But yeah, Mushu and Cricket. All right, we'll see how that goes. And last one, last but not least. There's no hard protector, so I'm not expecting anything crazy. So let's go. FYE Pickle Rick. I already have the two regular Pickle Ricks. I don't have this one, so it's. I mean, I wasn't. I've seen this before at FYE. I didn't get it because I have the two originals. But okay, I guess I don't have it. And so two that I don't have, and then the Hot Topic Pink Ranger. I don't know the values on these. I don't know if I made my money back. Is that a hair? I don't know if there's a hair on the lens, but anyway. So with these three, not a very successful box, right? Decent. I can give one to my wife. I can keep the Pickle Rick. Keep this for autograph for Amy Jo Johnson. I'm gonna try Poptopia next. I follow them on Instagram recently and I saw some cool stuff. I'm probably gonna get theirs, not now, but maybe later. And hopefully we'll get some good luck on one of these mystery boxes. Geez, I don't know. I wasn't sure about this, and now that I have it, it's just like, okay, I guess. Next time, follow me on Instagram at Infinite Nerdism. Right across the bottom. I'm more active on Instagram than I am going to be on YouTube for sure. I'll probably keep YouTube for mystery boxes. When I get the Trick or Treat Studios Good Guy doll, I'll box that for sure. So be sure to look out for that. That's about 6 months away. So, and then, oh, the Grail. Let me show you the Grail. Yeah. So I went to a pop swap recently, and I bought this for 140 bucks. PPG was at around 175. Stash Media was at about 185. And He was selling it for pretty cheap because the Chase sticker was damaged. It was really bad. But that was it. The box was fine, so I bought it. Immediately went to my local comic book store and swapped it out, and brand new. So here it is. Chase Flash, the metallic Flash. Cool. Quickly put it in heart protector. It's like brand new. Box is fine. I got this for a steal as far as I'm concerned. So it's exciting. Yeah, guys, until next time, have a good one.